Okay, this is a 2004 Nomad. It's a two-door, 25 foot. It is a 250 LT Scout Cascade Edition. There's my propane tanks. Came with no battery, so I get to go buy one of those. And this has a slide out for the couch. All the hookups. Has heating and air conditioning, but no controls for it, so I have to go buy the thermostat. There's a little bit of previous water damage in this area, but they've sealed the leak, and I'm gonna make sure it's sealed up really good before I move into it. And this is the inside. Pretty horrible. They had torn out the flooring, and the dealer said that he would patch the holes in the floor, and that is his idea of a patch, which is that down there. And I'm now thinking I may just tear up the subfloors and put new subfloors down. They also tore out this wall that goes around the bathroom. It's a pretty easy task to replace that. And the dinette set was here, and I'm actually kind of glad that they tore that out because that's where my desk is going to go. Not sure yet if I'm going to get rid of the couch or and put in maybe a chair, or keep it and recover it. Time will tell. And this is the kitchen area. So you got lots of counter space, cabinet space above the slide out. And in the kitchen, we have a microwave, stove, oven, some drawers, which is really nice. Refrigerator. I'm thinking of doing chalkboard paint on the refrigerator. A broken drawer underneath, but that's easily glued back together, and it will all get painted. And this is where one wall went, and the controls for the heating and air conditioning were on that wall, so I've not yet cleaned out the trailer to find out if I can find those original controls, but if not, we'll get new. And then there was another wall there, and there's the opening to the door. Then we have a full closet here with no door, but that's fine. There are drawers behind the wheel, but the drawers are gone, and that's fine with me too. You can just make them shelves. This is not going to be a travel trailer that's going to be used to travel down the road, so it's just going to be stationary. The bathroom cabinet is missing, but that's an easy fix. You hear my feet sticking to the glue on the floor, so I have to clean up all that before I put in a new floor. This is a pretty good big size shower and tub, if you could fit in that. Toilet. And there was storage here. It used to have a door on it, but I'm again perfectly fine with no door on it. And then the bedroom. I'm not sure yet what I want to do in here. I want to fit my queen size bed because I have an awesome mattress in my house. But the measurements for this, I think, were 60 inches long by 70 wide or something like that. And my queen size bed is the 60 by 80 or whatever. And so this mattress I won't be using because there is some mold stuff from the old water leak. And yeah, I won't be using that. And then you can see here, this is where, I don't know if you could see it or not, but that's where some of the water damage was from the leak that they had on the outside. And you can see some more bubbling up in the corner here, where that other water damage was. So we'll make sure that all that's sealed up. So I'm thinking I may just take out these. Well, we're definitely taking out the spider webs, but I may just take out these cabinets above and on the sides and try and squeeze my regular bed in here. We'll have to see what happens. That's just some, oh, that's a pillow. But see, we had some more water damage here, and this is the reason why I'm thinking of replacing the flooring. Here's where the other water damage is and the patch that the dealer did for me. Got a really good deal on this. It was $29.95, so just under $3,000. There's the old carpeting. That's definitely going. And my emergency escape slash bedroom door. Got some outlets up there and a little stand here where I could put a TV, but I never watch TV in my room, so not sure what I'm going to use that for. I may take it down and put it somewhere else. And that's it. That's the battery cover. There's actually 2 battery covers in here, but when I looked at the specs, it said that it only used 1 battery, so I'm not sure why there's 2 of them. Anyhow, that's what I get to work on this week. Try and get it at least so that I could sleep in here, and I can finish the rest of it when we get over to the property where this is going to be stationary and permanently installed. This is we have 14 acres in the middle of nowhere, but we do have a well. We have power to the property, and there's a septic system in place. There's just no pump in it, so we'll also be working on putting a pump in the well house, putting electricity to each of the trailers where they're going to be stationary at. And so we'll have electric, we'll have water, and putting in the pumps for the sewage or the septic system over there so that we can just run our sewage to there. But that's the plan. The only thing I don't like about this model is there's not very many windows, but hopefully that means that in the winter when it's snowing, it'll be easier for me to stay warm. So the windows in the bedroom, we have one behind the bed and one on this side. All these window treatments are coming down. I don't like them. Green is not my favorite color, so they're coming out. Anyhow, stay tuned. I'll give you guys updates.